Hey nature lovers, welcome back to my channel, Beauty of Nature. Today I'm sharing the ultimate immune boosting wellness tonic, and I'm going to show you how you can easily make this powerful herbal elixir right at home. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all things holistic wellness. Okay, what we are making is known as fire cider, a natural remedy most commonly used in the winter time to fight off colds and flus. What you're going to need is some ginger, a warming herb that supports digestion and immunity, garlic, which is nature's antibiotic. It is a powerhouse for your immune system. Onion, which is great for congestion and boosting circulation. We're also going to add in some citrus fruits, which add vitamin C and that nice zesty flavor. And then most people do add in some horseradish, but I'm going to be using jalapeno, which is also spicy and opens up the sinuses. And honestly, you can stop there, or you can be extra like me, adding in some thyme and rosemary, which are both packed with nutrients and help fight off infection and reduce inflammation. We're going to use some cinnamon, which is antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory. Clove also can help reduce inflammation and can alleviate respiratory problems. And then we have star anise, which is also good for respiratory issues and detoxifying. And then some apple cider vinegar with the mother. It's going to draw out all those good nutrients. This is a 64-ounce jar I found on Amazon for like $8. Any glass jar works. And some parchment paper to put at the top before we put the lid on. And don't be scared to tweak this recipe, customize it, and make it your own. Okay, first we're going to start by chopping everything up. Does not have to be perfect, just get those flavors unlocked. And I'm going to give you guys a major key right now. As you are adding everything to your jar, think about the intention behind it. Listen to me when I say we are so much more powerful than we have been led to believe. And that energy we put out through our intentions radiates vibrations that can transcend all matter, just like meditation, and can contribute to your healing. We are infusing our fire cider with all that good energy. And every time we take a sip, that intention is going to be activated, assisting us in manifesting healing on an energetic level. And I'm so glad we have finally reached a point where science agrees and is catching up with a lot of things that spirituality and herbalism has been trying to teach us for ages. Either catching up or trying to hide it all along, who knows? All I know is it's becoming a lot more accepted. And maybe a lot of that has to do with the spread of information on social media and the internet, which I feel like is causing a lot of truths to be revealed. And once that veil is lifted, there's no turning back. Once I discovered energy work and combined that with a healthy lifestyle, my life was changed forever. And this is coming from someone who had a very scary near-death experience, which is pretty much what truly triggered my healing journey. But anyways, that is a very long story. I'll probably put it in another video. Let me know. Now let's just admire this beautiful work of art so far. Oh my God. This is the most beautiful jar I've ever seen in my life. And all of the amazing aromas literally have me in heaven. By the way, this is my first time making this, and this has been the most magical experience. Y'all, I am loving every moment of it as I dive deeper into my herbalism journey. Also, when you're pouring your apple cider vinegar, you want to make sure everything is completely covered and submerged. I actually had to go back and push everything down because it's very important for everything to be completely covered by the apple cider vinegar, which is going to help prevent things like mold. Before you put your lid on, you're going to cover it with your parchment paper, so the mixture does not come in contact with the lid, because the acidity of the apple cider vinegar can corrode the metal of the lid. So you definitely want to be careful with that. Once the lid's on, you're going to shake it up a little and store it in a cool, dark place for 4 to 6 weeks. Pro tip for best results, you're going to want to give this a shake daily. And don't forget to send it love and remind yourself of your intention. When it's ready, you're going to strain out the solids and you're good to go. I plan on taking a shot of this every morning, but if you're not about that spicy life, don't worry. You can mix it with water, tea, or even salad dressing. that is it for today's fire cider tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you are going to try this, and also share any other ingredients you add to make it your own. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.